extraction machines from 3 kgs to up to 100 kgs. We are manufacturing in wooden, rotary and stone also. And he is my father, K.I. Kader Pasha. He is my friend from past 2 years, Rakesh Fauza sir. He is a very genius person who have very research in wooden cold press extraction machine also. And he is a government approval trainer in Delhi. So many persons are trained to this Rakesh Fauza sir, and he is a very genius in this wooden cold press extraction machine. He gave us so many ideas, so many development, research and ideas to our company. We have developed, we have tied up and together developing all other ideas also. And now Mr. Rakesh Fauza sir will speak about our technical and also about our machine.
Thank you, Mr. Vishal. I'll explain. Today we will take the technical session about the machines. Since UTech is known to manufacture the wooden machines, which all the parts of like processing parts, churner, churning chamber, pit and drum. This is drum. They all are made up of wood. This is churner, and there is a pit inside the drum. So this is the only company which producing this drum type machines which are fitted with VFD. Now VFD model is there because VFD controls the speed and torque of the machine. Now we can control the speed of the machine by just turning the knob. We can run this machine from 0 to 14 RPM because by altering the RPM we also change the torque of the machine. From the main supply, the supply is given to the motor. It is a 3-phase motor. Then the speed reduction is done by this gearbox. From the gearbox, final reduction is done. This final reduction is done to increase the torque of the load because there is a drum. Now, for example, in 8 to 10 kg, the drum weight is 70 kg. Now, to lift that 100 kg, we need torque. The final torque is developed by worm and gear. This is the worm and gear system. So, this is the open gearbox which we have shown to you. This is fitted gearbox. This is churner made up of seasoned wood, and the moisture of the wood is kept between 11 to 12%. This is drum. Again, this is seasoned drum, and the moisture of the wood is kept between 10 to 12%. Now, these are the panel boxes for automatic model and upgraded model. In upgraded model, you can see the difference. We have many controls in that, and this is automatic model. This is our filtration machine. This is 6-layer filter, gravity filtration. No need of any other filtration. This is the best filtration system they have developed in their company, and they have also developed this gearbox. This gearbox is developed by BlueTech company. They are just taking the casing from the outside, and whole of the engineering is done by the BlueTech company. The basic advantage of this machine is these are drum machines, and the oil gets skid in the machine, oil gets cooled down, and the complete churning takes place in the this wooden rotary machines. Drum machine, sorry. These are drum models. That is the basic difference between rotary and drum model. In drum model, complete churning takes place and there is no residue of sedimentation. Whereas in the rotary model, you may find these problems. In drum model, there are no such problems. So these are the basic technical features of their machine. I hope as and when you want to do this cold press oil business, for mustard oil, for coconut oil, for sesame oil or for almond oil, you can contact BlueTech Industries. Mr. Ismail Sheikh is there, his father is there, and Niamutullah is there. Their numbers are available on the website. You can order them for these machines. They are trustworthy people and they make very good machines. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Machines are the only machines in India, I would say rather, which are fitted with VFD. VFD means variable frequency drive. The full form of VFD is variable frequency drive. Now why this VFD is fitted? So that we can control the RPM and torque of the machine with the help of VFD. So VFD is the one component which they have fitted in their machine to make this machine traditionally sound and technically sound. What they have done, they have mixed, you can say they have taken the traditional method as well as technical method. So they have joined both the things. So by this VFD we can control the RPM of the machine starting from 0 to 14 or 20 or 40 as per the customer requirement. Thank you very much. अभी हम आपको मस्टर्ड ऑयल का एक्सट्रैक्शन दिखाएंगे। ब्लैक मस्टर्ड ऑयल है, आप खुद देखेंगे कि ब्लैक मस्टर्ड ऑयल का जो ऑयल है कितनी तेजी से निकलता है और विदाउट सेडिमेंटेशन निकलता है। प्लीज पुट द मटेरियल।
మెదో ఒకటి
ऑटोमेटिक मोड में डालेंगे जिससे इसका जो आरपीएम है वो अपने आप बढ़ता जाएगा। यू कैन सी इट इन द वीडियो। दिस आरपीएम विल गो up to 11 and after some time, after churning takes place, automatically this RPM will come down. So you see the churning process inside. There is a push plate. No need by hand to push the material inside. Automatically material is pushed inside because of this churner, because of this push plate, which is fitted at a very good angle, so that you can use this space, all of this space, while putting your hand or you putting the seed or putting the water. The water pH and TDS levels are maintained because we have to maintain the water TDS and pH. We have to make the water a bad conductor of heat because water is otherwise a good conductor of heat. Now this wood is also a bad conductor of heat, as well as your oil is also a bad conductor of heat. Now after some time you will see oil extraction from the drum after the completion of the churning. Now you see automatically the RPM has increased. They have gone up to 18. So this is the torsion bar of the machine. This is the steel cap. This is the wooden churner. This is the drum. This is the hooper. This is the oil plate. Both these things are of food grade steel 403. And this is our panel box where we can adjust the speed of the machine and we can put it in auto mode or we can put it in manual mode. The choice is yours while extracting the oil. This machine is best suited for mustard oil, coconut oil, almond oil and sesame oil. You can extract very easily all these kind of oils because these machines they are manufacturing up to 100 kg, starting from 3 to 5 kg. So I hope you will like this machine, and for ordering you can contact Mr. Ismail or Mr. Niamutullah or father of Mr. Ismail.
Thank you for your support, sir.
I wish you all the best always. It's my privilege. I come here and spend lot of time.
Yes, sir. So many times you came, so many ideas you gave from you, and so many research and so many technical ideas to develop our machine is very helpful to us.
Thank you
Always
very much. Thank you
behind
very
everything.
much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for that.